TVS Motor has launched the new Jupiter 110, which replaces the old Jupiter. It is now offered in 4 variants and 6 colors. This is the base variant, which is priced from Rs 73,700. The color is called Meteor Red Gloss. It gets 12-inch steel wheels with tubeless tires, drum brake, and telescopic suspension. LED DRL is missing in this variant. Instead, you get halogen turn indicators with piano black finish in the center. Headlight is LED for base variant as well. Console is analog with speedo and fuel indicator on display. It does not get a USB port. There is a fuel cap in the front. Seat is all black. Here is LED tail light with halogen turn indicators. This is titanium grey matte color. This variant sits above the base and is priced from Rs 79,200. It gets 12-inch alloys but misses out on disc brake in the front. Gets same analog console as base variant. Here is another color but is the same variant as before. This color is called Lunar White Gloss. Here is the third variant in the list. The color is called Starlight Blue Gloss. It is priced from Rs 83,250. In addition to the earlier variant, this one gets Smart Connect feature along with LED DRLs, fully digital console, USB port, dual tone seat, and LED turn indicators. This is the top of the line variant which has the same features as the variant below. But in addition, it gets a 220mm disc brake in the front. This variant is priced from Rs 87,250. Speaking about dimensions, new Jupiter is 1848mm long, 665mm wide, 1158mm tall. It has a wheelbase of 1275mm. Seat length is 756mm. Curb weight is 105 kgs. Speaking about performance, the new 113cc engine delivers more performance and mileage. We will be sharing a detailed review very soon. Thank you for watching.